Hi there! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here once again. My name is Malu. I am in Canada and I live in Vancouver. In this channel, guys, I do discuss about the bits and pieces of a Canadian immigrant life, immigration process, anything in mind about Canada. So for today's topic, I'm gonna discuss about the 7 things to know should you wish to move to Canada. So please stay tuned. So let's get started. Number 1, weather. If you come from a warm climate like I do, hello kabayan, winter in Canada is sure to surprise you. It's difficult to describe how a negative 20 degrees centigrade or a negative 40 degrees centigrade can feel, but no worries, you can come to Canada with the right clothing and the right attitude. Number 2, diversity. Canada is a multicultural country represented by 250 ethnic groups in the census. To date, we have 47 members of parliament born outside Canada. To give you some background, Canada was inhabited by Aboriginals until the British and French colonized the nation in 17th century. Diversity is Canada's strength and you have a home in Canada. Number 3, nature. Canada is a blast to nature lovers like me. We do have some cool cities like Montreal, Vancouver, and Toronto, and they have so much to offer. However, for me, the real beauty of Canada lies in the great outdoor. Go hiking to the woods, get lost in the jungle, talk to the mountains, discover a gem. You simply can never get enough. Number 4, tipping. If you receive services from restaurants, salon, hotel, taxi, you are expected to give a tip. The standard tip is 15% of the total bill. Number 5, money. Canadian money is plastic. This pandemic, if you are worried to catch corona touching your money, you can simply spray and sanitize it. And just to add, the $20 bill has Queen Elizabeth face on it. Because you know, Canada is a British colony and Her Majesty is Queen of Canada. Number 6, taxation. Canada adds a federal sales tax to all goods and services. Provinces and territories also have their own tax. Sales tax varies between the provinces, the lowest of which is 5% and up to 15%. So say in here, we have 12% sales tax applied. It will all start with the price tag, and 12% additional will be added at checkout. Number 7, and my last bullet would be healthcare. Canada is known for its universal healthcare. Its publicly funded healthcare system is dynamic. It has universal coverage. Checkups are free, hospital admissions are free, vaccines are free. However, prescription medicines, eye care, dental care are not covered. The expenses for this are being offset by the third-party insurance provided by your employment benefit. There you have it, my dear friends. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. I hope you have learned something from me today about the things to know before moving to Canada. And should you have any other questions that you think I can answer, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you again.